everyone, I'm Ron, and this is my last adventure. Yesterday morning I was walking through Harbor Freight and I come across their electric log splitter. Now this one here I've had for at least 10 years, and I've probably split 7-8 cords of wood with it. This little thing is a beast. There isn't many things that I haven't been able to split with. Very well made, heavy duty, strong as can be. I have a couple different kinds of wood here. Most of it's already been split, so I gotta go back through and I'll make it smaller for you. It's simple. It's got a button for the motor down here, which I'll show you, and you press that, and then you operate the hydraulics over here, the ram. And you can control where this stops just by pushing the ram back down, the handle back down. Very strong. By holding the handle down, it'll stop and it'll stay where you're at, so you don't got to let it come all the way back to put the next piece of wood in. Now this piece is oak. And it splits it like it's nothing. And there's even a knot there. It does very well. Got another piece here that's got a couple knots where, let's see how well this works. The only drawback I see on this whole thing is the ram does not go far enough forward. Now they might have fixed that with the new ones. So something simple I do in case you don't have enough depth in your ram. Just add an extra log to it. Now you got the length, and you can get her split. So these are the controls on it. It's very simple. Power button, on off, and your ram. Very simple, great safety setup, so it won't keep pushing. If you get in a bind, you just leave going, it's going to retract itself. Overall, it's a real nice little piece of equipment. The motor on it is a beast. $1,500 watt. This is a great piece of equipment for the homeowner that doesn't want to spend $1,000 on a wood splitter. It's small. You can keep it in your garage. It doesn't take up much room. Very powerful. And will do about anything you need it to do. I split oak logs that are 20 inches across. And it will split it with no problem. I've had a few hickory logs that it had a little trouble with, because if you split hickory, you know how it doesn't want to give up the ghost. You just split it from one side, flip it over, split it from the other, it goes in two. Well worth the money. Something that Harbor Freight did good. I am Ron. Thanks for watching my video, and welcome to my Alaska adventure.